Hello students, now this is class 12 second session. Already we have started matrices, and this is the second part. Already we have discussed about the definition and the types of matrices. Now the next part is orthogonal matrix. What is orthogonal matrix? A transpose equals to A transpose A equals to I. If we get A transpose is equal to A transpose A equals to I, then it is I means unit matrix. Unit matrix we know 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 of 3 by 3 order. Okay, so this is unit matrix. Now what is equality of matrices? If A equals to AIG and B equals to BIG, then A and B are of same order. A and B should be of same order, and AIG equals to BIG for all pairs. Now let A equals to x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3, then it is 3 by 3 order. B equals to a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3, that is also 3 by 3 order. See here, A 3 by 3 order, B also 3 by 3 RP, they are of same order. When they are of same order, then their positional elements should be equal. Positional elements means this is A11 position, this is also A11 position. 1 1 position we know already, we have discussed 1 1 position means first row first column intersection point. So x1 a1, x1 is equal to a1, ay1 is equal to b1, z1 is equal to c1. Similarly we will get all the elements, so at last we will get z3 equals to c3. Now what are the operations? Operations means operations are matrices. First one is scalar multiplication. A equals to Aij, and let K be a scalar quantity. So we can write Ka. Ka means K into Aij Mn. Say if let 5 we know is a scalar quantity, and let the matrix be x1 y1 x2 y2. Then the scalar quantity will be multiplied to all the elements in the matrix. What we will write? 5x1, 5y1, 5x2, 5y2. So this is the resultant matrix. Now addition and subtraction of matrices. If A equals to A11, A12, A21, A22 of 2 by 2 order, B equals to B11, B12, B21, B22 of 2 by 2 order, that means here also A 2 by 2 order, B 2 by 2 order, that means same order. Then A and B, they are conformable for addition and subtraction. So when it is added, A plus B, when it is subtracted, then it is A minus B. What will be the formation in the matrix? First 1 1 position element here, 1 1 position here, these two will be added or subtracted. So A11 plus minus B11, A12 plus minus B12, A21 plus minus B21, A22 plus minus B22. When it is added, only write plus symbol. When it is minus, write only minus symbol. The resultant always, again say this is, there are 2 rows and there are 2 columns, so it is coming 2 by 2 order. Next is multiplication. Matrix multiplication is very important. A equals to say Aij equals to 3 by 3 order, B equals to Bij of 3 by 2 order. Matrix multiplication is these two matrices are conformable for multiplication when number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. Repeating, number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. If it happens, then only these two matrices are conformable for multiplication. So the remaining part means the remaining here 3 number of rows, and here 2 remaining in number of columns. So new matrix after multiplication, what we will get? The new matrices will be 3 by 2 order. New matrix will be 3 by 2 order. Now what is the method of multiplication? A equals to say A11, A12, A13, 21, 22, 23, A31, A32, A33. B say B11, B12, B21, B22, B31, B33. Now let us see. A, how many rows are there? There are 3 rows. How many columns are there? There are 3 columns. And how many rows in B? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows. And how many columns are there? There are 2 columns. So it is 2. Okay. So what is the conformable for multiplication rule? Number of columns in A, that is 3, is equal to number of rows in B, that is 3. So these are equal, that means A, B are conformable for multiplication. So remaining is 3 by 2. So new matrix what we will get, that will be 3 by 2. How to multiply? A11, A12, A13, write in this way and write in this way. Just write these two matrix is in this way. So row and column, row by column will be multiplied. First row will multiply to first column, first row will multiply to second column. Okay, so A11, B11, A12, B21, A13, B31. So A11, B11 plus A12, B21 plus A13, B31. This whole will be the A11 position element. A11, first row, A11, A12, A13. All these will multiply to B11, B21, B31. Then add all these. Then what we will get? This total part will be the new 1 element, new 1 element. So next, first row, first column, done. Next, remaining first row, second column. So A11, B12, A11, B12, A12, B22, A12, B22 plus A13, B32, A13, B32. So this is the first row, second column element for the new matrix. Next is first row multiplication part done. Now remaining two rows. Second row of A, A21, A22, A23. Each element will be multiplied to each element in the B. That means B matrix first column. A21, B11, A22, B21, A23, B31. Okay, next second row, second column. A21, B12, A22, B22, A23, B32. Done. So this is coming second row, first column element as a whole, and this is coming second row, second column element. Next is third row remaining. Third row again will multiply to both the columns. So first third row into first column. A31, B11, A31, B11 plus A32, B21, A33, B31. Third row multiplied to second column. A31, B12, A32, B22, A33, B32. Okay. Now this is the element third row and second column. Okay. So there are how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. How many columns are there? 1 and 2. So we get as a whole 3 by 2 columns. Okay. Now there is an example for you. Let A equals to 4, 2 minus 1 and second column is 3 minus 7, 1. How many rows are there? There are 2 rows. How many columns are there? There are 3 columns. So it is order is 2 by 3 order. B is 2, 3 minus 3, 0 minus 1, 5. What is the order? There are 3 rows and there are 2 columns. So order is 3 by 2. Now where to find whether these two matrices are conformable for multiplication or not? Yes, they are conformable for multiplication. Why? Because number of columns in A and number of rows in B, these two are equal. So we can multiply these two matrix. Now AB equals to, what did I say? First row will multiply to first column. So 4 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3 plus minus 1 into minus 1. Now first row into second column. 4 into 3, 2 into 0 plus minus 1 into 5. Next, second row into first column. 3 into 2 plus minus 7 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Next, second row into second column. 3 into 3 plus minus 7 into 0 plus 1 into 5. Just do this calculation part. We will get 8 minus 6 plus 1, 12 plus 0 minus 5, 6 plus 21 minus 1, 9 plus 0, 5. Do this calculation, you get 3, 7, 26, 4. And this order is 2 by 2 order. Okay, so this is the matrix multiplication. Now you start the exercise with your textbook. Then again we will come back with the same thing. Thank you.